Hello viewers, in this video we are going to solve simultaneous linear equation. That is, in some discipline of science, mathematics and economics, you are always dealing with simultaneous linear equation. Okay, now the two question is given. We can name this one equation 1. Also we can name this equation 2. Okay, the next thing to do here, we are going to consider the question given to us firstly. Since the coefficient of this y is unity, it doesn't contain any number. Therefore, you can solve this one using substitution method. Since we have three methods of solving simultaneous linear equation, that is by substitution, by elimination, by graphical methods, and other methods you can do. Okay, then now we are going to say from equation 1. From equation 1 now we can take this first equation. We have 3x plus y is equals to 1. Then in the next case here, you are going to make y the subject of the formula by saying you have y is equals to 1 minus 3x. Then in the next step, we are going to substitute in equation 2. We are going to substitute y is equals to 1 minus 3x. That is in equation 2. By substituting in equation 2 here, anywhere where we see y, you are going to put 1 minus 3x. Therefore, when taking equation 2 as 2x minus 3y is equals to 8. Now we are going to put 1 minus 3y in place of y. Therefore, we are going to multiply anywhere we see y by 1 minus 3x. This is equals to 8. I think this is equation 2. We just remove y and put 1 minus 3. Let's remove the bracket. We have 2x minus times minus 3 times 1. Here we have minus 3. Open brackets. We have minus 3 times 3. Minus 3 times 3. Here we have plus 9x is equals to 8. Then the next step here to have, we're going to have 2x minus 3 plus 9x is equals to 8. Then we're going to collect the like term here. Since we have 2x plus y here, we have 11x. This is equals to 8 plus 3. When taking minus 3 to the right hand side, the sign will change to plus because 3 causes the equality sign. Now we are going to add 8 plus 3. We have 11x is equals to 8 plus 3 also is equals to 11. Now we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x by saying this 11 cancel out. Also this 11 cancel out, remain 1. We have x is equals to 1. Then in the next step, for us to find y, we are going to multiply. We are going to substitute. Let's substitute x is equals to 1 in equation. In any equation, let's take equation 1. This is our equation 1 here. Anywhere we see x, we are going to substitute with 1. Therefore, we have 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equals to 1. Then we take equation 1. 3 times 1 here, we have 3 plus y is equals to 1. Therefore, we have y is equals to 1 minus 3. Therefore, y is equals to 1 minus 3 here, we have minus 2. Then we can conclude by saying we have x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 2. We can also take our work to see whether the value of x is 1, the value of y is minus 2. Then by checking whether x is 1 or y is minus 2, then we can take any equation and prove. Okay, let's check by saying we have 3x plus y is equals to 1. Let's substitute the value of x and y as minus 1 and plus 2. If you have 3 into 1 plus y, the value of y here is minus 2. We have minus 2 is equals to 1. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 is equals to 1. Therefore, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 is equals to 1. Therefore, the right hand side of the equation is equals to the left hand side of the equation. Now we check, we prove that our answer is right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.